In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect WordPress to Facebook pages. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need on WordPress.com to get the official meta for WooCommerce plugin ready, which is what powers the connection to your Facebook page. Start by heading to WordPress.com/sites. This is the central place where you'll see your site and open its dashboard. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and open Plugins. If you're on WordPress.com, note that plugin access depends on your plan, so make sure you're on a plan that supports plugins before you continue. In the Plugins screen, use the search bar and type Meta. You're looking for the official meta for WooCommerce plugin. This is the tool that connects your WooCommerce store with Facebook, enabling features like product sync and marketing tools. If you're selling products, this is the recommended route to link your catalog and page. Open the Plugins page to review it in detail. Take a moment to browse the tabs on that page. Under Description, you'll see what the plugin does and how it helps your store connect with Facebook. Check Installation to understand any requirements or notes for WordPress.com and WooCommerce. The changelog is useful for confirming that the plugin is actively maintained and compatible with your version. You can also peek at related plugins to see alternatives, but we'll stay with the official meta for WooCommerce option here. When you're comfortable, click Get Started. On WordPress.com, this button launches the guided setup for adding the plugin to a site. If you don't already have a site selected or a domain attached, you'll be brought to a simple onboarding flow. Use the search box to find a domain if you want to register a new one, or choose the option to bring your existing domain over to WordPress.com. If you're transferring or connecting a domain you already own, follow the prompt to use your domain and then click Continue. This step prepares your site so the plugin can be installed and configured cleanly. After this, WordPress.com will finish setting things up and install the meta for WooCommerce plugin. From there, you'll see the setup flow that introduces the connection to your Facebook assets, including your page. A few quick tips as you proceed. Make sure WooCommerce is active on your site. Ensure you have admin permissions for the Facebook page you plan to connect, and allow pop-ups during authorization so the connection window can open. That's it for getting the plugin in place and reaching the connection flow. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the link, and you'll be ready to manage your